Running a business alone used to mean choosing between doing things fast, doing things well, or doing things cheap. And I found something that lets you do all three, and I need to show you what it is right now. As a solo entrepreneur, it's expensive to hire people, and it is daunting to train someone when you're trying to outsource something. And let me tell you, learning every single new tool that comes out is a headache, but let me show you something different. So this is Mule Run, and I'm going to show you how you can complete a website with everything you need. That would take a specialist $500, $1,000, and you can do it in under 4 minutes. I'm going to show you how you can save a bunch of money by doing this. And really, there is no technical barrier. You can do it all in plain English, and no prompting tricks or coding or technical setup. I'm going to show you exactly the prompt I'm going to use and how you can use it today. So this is the prompt. I'm going to do it for a content creator because more people are giving them the content. But you can do it for a solo entrepreneur, a plumber, a real estate agent, whatever that is for you, a personal trainer. So I'm going to create a complete launch kit for a content creator, releasing a digital product called the Reels Playbook, a course creating short form content. You should have a sales page, a hero page, a 5-part launch email sequence, 7 social media captions, a pricing table, a short bio, and 3 hooks. Make everything on brand and scroll ready to post. We just go ahead and click on next. I'm going to show you how quick this is. So as you can see, it's already thinking, and it's now going to start building. The complete launch kit in parallel with a sales page, a hero page, email sequences, and all the content supported. So let's get everything going. So that's pretty neat that it's doing these 3 in parallel. So just finish those 3 actions. So it's reading what it's done, 2 actions already completed. See what that thumbnail looks like. That's pretty sweet. Mash in short form video and grow your audience. Let's see how the rest of it looks. And just like that, it just popped up. So it's still working on a few other things, but stop posting to the void. We can pull this up to open it up a little bit. We have a little reel playbook here. Join the waitlist. Scrolls down the playbook. Pricing table. Wow, this is phenomenal. So you can see 5 modules, 500,000 followers grown. Sound familiar? So a struggle. What's on the inside? The algorithm decoded, the hook mastery, content engine, analytics that matter, and monetizing your audience. Creators are saying this is all of the reviews, essentially your path and meet Jordan Ellis, which this is. Obviously, we can just change this to your name and frequently asked questions, and then and then finally join the waitlist. So, pretty cool stuff. It's still finishing up a few things. But as you can see, it already has what the website looks like. And I mean, this looks fabulous. And as an added bonus, MuleRun actually provides its own domain, built-in data space, storage, and a commercial-ready website without any coding. So many people get stuck with paralysis by analysis. This takes away that feeling. You can literally spin up a website in under 5 minutes. Imagine this. You're with your family on a Sunday, but you know you need to get a website done. You need to get an email sequence done. You need to get all these things done, but you'd just rather spend time with your family. That's what makes MuleRun so flexible. I mean, it created our website. Now it's already created. The social media captions are right here, the trailer, the hooks and captions, the testimonials, the objection buster, last chance cart, section 2 hook variants for a launch announcement video, all the different hooks. So all of that is just done for you with a single prompt. And you can still spend time with your family on a Sunday without having to give that up. And I didn't just pick the very best prompt to get the best results for that video. I mean, there are so many other people doing the same thing. I mean, they've created so many different videos, from this 3D monkey video to dashboards with all the most important reports. I think there's a puzzle here. There's so many different things. Another dashboard. Yeah, those puzzles I was talking about, they have so many use cases that really anyone can do this. It's not like I just picked the very first prompt that looked the best. There are literally thousands of people doing the same thing. The best part is, I did all of this with a free plan, and you can too. You can check out the plans here. I mean, think about how much you'd spend on a freelancer or a virtual assistant. Hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a month. You can do it all in one tool, one subscription, one platform with MuleRun. Check it out and sign up using the link in the description. There's a 500 credit bonus just for signing up, plus you get 200 more every single day. You can sign up for the Plus plan for only $16 a month. The Super plan is an even better deal at $32 a month. And there's even a Pro plan. So if you're building something on your own and you're tired of being bottlenecked in your own business, MuleRun is worth 10 minutes of your time. Check out the free trial below. Go build something with MuleRun. So if you want to dive deeper from the tier plan, they offer $27 in credits and 50% off the annual plan. Check it out.